Zimbabwe's political landscape is once again gripped by an intense power struggle, with whispers of a cold-blooded palace coup reverberating through the corridors of power. At the heart of this unfolding drama lies the question: is VP Chiwenga been replaced by Oppah Muchinguri? This query, initially a headline on ZimI, has quickly become a focal point, reflecting a deep-seated content for influence within the Presidium. Our investigation delves into the intricate web of alliances and rivalries, examining the clashes between Vice President Kosano Chiwenga and the loyalists of President Mnangagwa, the systematic erosion of military influence, the strategic positioning of Defense Minister Oppah Muchinguri. I fought while you fled. General Chiwenga breathes fire as rumors of replacing him as VP with Oppah Muchinguri surface. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnangagwa yuko Mchinzi. The political temperature in Harare has been steadily rising, marked by significant internal strife within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Recent reports indicate a dramatic political confrontation on 31 March 2026, where Vice President Chiwenga reportedly clashed head-on with President Mnangagwa's loyalist. Insiders revealed that Chiwenga vehemently challenged the controversial 2030 agenda and issued a stark warning against pushing Constitutional Amendment No. 3 without a national referendum. This amendment, designed to extend presidential term limits, has become a flashpoint, exposing deepening fractures within ZANU-PF. At the epicenter of the explosive confrontation was a heated exchange between Chiwenga and the State Security Minister Matuke. Sources indicated that Chiwenga demanded that an extension of presidential term limits be subjected to a referendum, a position directly at odds with the party's current trajectory. Matuke allegedly retaliated, accusing dissenting voices of undermining party unity. The clash quickly escalated, drawing in Defense Minister Oppah Muchinguri Kashiri and ZANU-PF Commissioner Machacha, both of whom reportedly begged Matuke, thereby setting the stage for a full-blown factional standoff. This internal Cold War is particularly evident within the Monomotapa building, where the military's once unquestionable influence appears to be systematically eroding. The military, which played a pivotal role in bringing Mnangagwa to power in 2017, now finds its authority challenged by the civilian wing of ZANU-PF. The push for Constitutional Amendment No. 3, which seeks to extend Mnangagwa's rule until 2030, is widely seen as a move to manipulate the Central Committee of ZANU-PF and consolidate civilian power, thereby silencing military figures like Chiwenga. Doma developments are repopangwa ino. Penako section medu za furu enyu. What to leave on page it ko each. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.